Sometimes you would hear something you never heard before. It's just a different experience compared to reality.
We basically fly around in militarized 737s. We are the only long-range maritime asset that can locate, track, and kill a submarine.
We'll do the mission today at 5,000 feet, and our primary sensors will be radar, ESM, and acoustics.
So you have your acoustic operators and you have your electronic warfare operators.
I'm looking for everything on the surface, everything in the air, everything on top of the water. Any enemy combatants, enemy air contacts, land-based missiles.
I work the radar and the EOIR, which is the camera, so we get eyes on.
And the camera on it?
I'm the primary acoustic operator. So through the headset, you'll be able to hear the actual mechanical functioning of the submarine.
We drop the sonobuoys into the water and they listen to submarines, and that's how we can track them.
10 seconds to next buoy drop.
When that buoy hits the water, that's the buzzer, like ready to start the game.
Buoy away, now, now, now.
If you grew up liking video games, this job is for you. It's the mind game, kind of predict what the enemy's gonna do.
All right, flight, just set up in an orbit outside the weapon range of the submarine.
It looks like almost like a shotgun of paint just fills up your radar screen.
1230 Zulu.
We have our friends. The E-18, they can do things that we can't, we can do things they can't. We work together to get the job done.
Copy, I believe I have frequencies coming in now.
We see it before you can pick it up on radar. We see it under the water. We see the whole picture. Hundreds and hundreds of miles away from any support, sometimes thousands, providing the larger picture to the battlefield commanders that need that.